So good evening everyone. So this video is regarding how to make a DFA. In the previous video part 2, in that we started with to make a FA, finite automata, where it was not mentioned whether the diagram should be DFA or NFA. Okay, so we studied DFA, so it was not mentioned. So just we saw how to make a finite automata. Now in these questions we will be seeing how to make DFA, deterministic finite automata. Okay, so what is the rule of DFA? What is DFA? DFA means from every set from every state for a input there will be a unique, for a single input for one set to another set there will be only unique path. Okay, so let's start. So this question is give a DFA for the input set ABC that only accepts any string with AAB as a substring. Okay, AAB as a substring. Okay, so here this is the substring. So substring means in between it can come, or at the end it can come, in the beginning, but it should be included as AAB. Okay, as together it should be as A. So our first task will be to always find the test sets. First prepare the test set. So first test will be AAB. Okay, that is the correct set. It can be B, AAB. Why? Again it is having a substring AAB. Okay, next it can be like B, A, B, AAB. Okay, into ending it should have a substring AAB. Here also it is having a substring AAB. Okay, and then it can be triple A. It is having a subset AAB, right? And then it can have a substring like our test, because in our test set there is in our input alphabet it is given ABC. Okay, so it but substring is AAB, so C also can come in the test set. So what if it is B, A, B, C, AAB? This is also correct, right? Substring is AAB. It can be B, AA, C, AA, B, C. So these all are the possible test sets, few possible test sets. Okay, the thing is, the condition is it should be have the substring AAB. Should have a substring AAB. So let's start. First of all, we need to make the initial state, that is Q0. That is we always represent with the help of an LTR. And from there, what is my first subset? AAB. Okay, if AAB is the input, I must reach the final state. So at Q0 state, if my A is coming, I can move to the Q1 state. Always remember, we need to make a directed graph. Okay. At Q1 state, if I am getting A as input, I can move to the next state. Okay, I can give it a name Q2. At Q2 state, if I am getting an input B, then that means it is my I must move to the final state. Let it be Q1. So final state I need to represent with this result, right? Okay, so this test set done. So if my machine in that input is coming A, it will move to Q1 state. Q1 state again A is coming, it will move to Q2 state. Then B is coming, it will move to final state. Okay, let's make this for the next test set, that is BAAB. Okay, at Q0 state, if B is coming, what it can do? It can be in a loop. It is a DFA. So for every, I said that for every input there must be a unique path. For A, already there is a path that is from Q0 to Q1. Then there must not be any other path. But for any other element, definitely there can be path. B is another element, so another input element. So for B there can be a path. So Q0A, one path is over. Q0B I am giving the path. That is, if Q0B is coming, in the loop it will go, then A, AB, correct. Now what if it is C is coming in the beginning? If it is C, A, B, A, B, then here I can put a comma, and for C also it is working. I can put a loop here, both the loop, combined loop. I can make a combined loop here. Okay, C also in the same group, like here B, comma C. Okay, So if suppose it is CAAB, if it is suppose CAAB, then also it will work. Q0, C is coming, okay, in the same state Q0, then A is coming, it will move to Q1 state, then A is coming Q2 state, and finally B is coming, it will move to QF state. So let's check whether this test is correctly working or not. Q0, B is coming, it will be in the Q0 state, then A is coming, moving to Q1 state. Oh, then B is coming. What will happen if B is coming? Then we have to do something. Then it will be going back to Q0 state if B is coming. Okay, if B is coming, it will go to Q0 state. A is coming, it will move to Q1 state, then again Q2 state, and B final. Okay, let's check for this test set. Triple A. If it is A here, it will go to Q1 state. In Q1 state, A is coming, Q2 state. At this point, see, at this point I have third A. What I should do here, I cannot put any loop. Why? Because it is a DFA. Q0 state already one A path, for A path is given. I cannot make a loop here. Why? Because multiple path it will be. At Q1 state, I cannot put a loop here. But if it was a FA, okay, but DFA is mentioned unique path. So Q1 already A as an input is going to Q2 state, so I cannot make a loop here. But at Q2 state there is no A input is going on, nowhere A transfer for A transfer from Q2, nothing is there. So here I can put a loop for A. Any A is coming at Q2 state, let it be in this loop, keep on in this same state, and then when B is reaching, it can move to final state. So this here we can see the difference, that at DFA how we have to check the unique path. Okay, so now this is working, right? Q0 state A, Q1 state, next is again input A, that is it is going to Q2 state, again input A, it is in the same state Q2, again A, it is in the same state Q2, and finally B is coming, that's why it is moving to QF state. Okay, let's check for this test set. Q0 state B, Q0 state B is coming, Q0 state B is coming, it will be in the Q0 state. Q0 state A is coming. If A is coming, it will move to Q1 state. See, here it will move into Q1 state. Here Q1 state, what is my next input? It will be B. So B, that means it is moving to Q0 state. Okay. From there, if it is the next input C, okay, no problem. C means here loop is there. So it will be in the Q0 same state. There, what is the next input? A. So Q0 state A input means Q1 state. Next is A. Q1 state A is Q2 state, it will move, and finally B means from Q2 state B we have path, yes, it will be moving to final state. For this also working. Okay, let's check for this state B, this one. Q0 state B is coming, Q0 state B is coming, it will be in the Q0 state. A is coming, it will move to Q1 state. Q1 state A is coming, Q2 state. At Q2 state, if C is coming, what will happen? At Q2 state, if C is coming, we can give it the path to Q0 itself. Why? Because it should end with AAB. That is our motive. Okay. So here AC is coming, then Q0 state, and after that, what is that? A is coming, Q1 state. A is coming, Q2 state. Then Q2 state, B is coming, reaching to the final state. But here, what is happening? Again, C is coming. So if C is coming, what we can do at here QF state, there is no path. From Q3 no path, but if there is no rule that at final state there must not be a path. Yes, if it is a final state, then also we can make path. We can make a transition. So at QF state, if any A, B or any A, B or C is coming, it will be remain in the final state. Why? Because ending can be anything. The thing is, at B it should halt. The substring should be at B and the machine should halt. And after that, any A, B, C, it will be in the final state. So this is here working. Here, if suppose one more set is there, here we can add. See, so it is perfectly the machine. This will work for every element. So like this test sets, we need to prepare first, and we need to check as many test sets so that our machine can work properly. Okay. Okay, now next one more let's do, that is we need to give a DFA for the input 0 and 1 that only accepts binary number that include triple zero. Means any number which is having triple zero, it must include. It can be in the beginning, it can be in the end, it can be in middle, and anything. The thing is 0 0 0 should come, binary 0 0. So first we need to prepare the test set. So let it is here triple zero. Okay, triple zero. Then next it can be 1 0 0 0. Okay, it can be 0 0 0 1. Okay, and then my test can be 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, and then it can be 0 1 0 0 0, right? And then it can be 0 0 1 0 0 0, anything which is ending with 0, right? So these can be my test sets. Okay, so let's start our making. First thing is I need to make the initial state. Q0, at Q0, if 0 is coming, it can move to the next state, that is Q1 state. At Q1, 0 is coming, it can move to next state. 3 zeros are required, right? So next state. At Q2, if 0 is coming, it must reach, that is our machine must halt, that is our final state. So we will represent it by 2. Okay, so my first test is over. My next test set is 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 0, starting with 1, ending with 2. It is acceptable. So what we can do, starting with 1, no problem, it's a DFA, only 0 path, for 0 element path is given. For 1 I can make a loop here, whatever 1 is coming, be it in the same loop, and then ending is 0 0 1. Okay, we'll reaching the final set. Next is 0 0 0 1. Oh, at the end 1 is coming, then also acceptable. It is 0 0 0. What it is reaching the final state? Why? It means it should include itself. So at the end 1 is coming, let it be in the final state. It is in the final state. Machine can halt. So this also possible. Here 0 0 1 0. In between 1 is coming, then also our machine should halt. Why? Because together 3 zeros are coming. Our motive is to include any string which is having 3 times 0 together, 3 times zeros are coming. Okay, so here we can see that if it is 3 times 0, let's check it. 0, Q0, 0 is coming Q1 state, Q1 state 0 is coming Q2 state, Q2 state 0 is coming, it is coming to the final state. At final state 1 is coming, it is in the final state, but again there is one more 0, that is acceptable string only. So here we can put a loop of 0 also, comma 1. Instead of making 2 loops, we can combine in the same loop. Okay, so final state there was no path for 0, so that's why we added a path for 0 here. It's a DFA, for every input only one path should be there. So now it's working, right? 0 0 0 1 and 0. Okay, now let's see for the next one. 0 1 0 0 0. Is it working? In the Q0 state 0 is coming, it's going to Q1 state. At Q, you can see at Q1 1 is coming. Oh, we have to make a path, so we can make a path here. Q1 state 1 is coming, it will move back to Q0. From there 3 zeros are coming and moving to final state. Okay, let's see for this path. 0 0 1 0 0 0. Q0 state 0 is coming, good. Q1 state it is going. Q1 state 0 is coming, it is moving to Q2 state. Q2 state I am encountering a 1. Okay, and after that 3 zeros are there. So Q2 state, if 1 is coming, again it can go back to Q0 state. Okay, here it can go back to Q0 state, and from there 3 zeros are coming. After that 3 zeros are coming, it will reach to final state. So these are our conditions. Based on the as many test sets you are taking, that much your machine will be more good. So that much you are checking your machine and it will be working perfectly. Okay, so one more we'll see. We need to make a DFA, input set is 0 and 1, that accepts binary number that do not include. It should not include. Right now we made include 0 0 1. That must not include, that should not include 0 0 1. So any test which is not at all including 0 0 1, that. So in such type of cases what you can do is we just need to interchange the things. Okay, we made the this DFA for 000, right? What we need to do, just reverse the thing. Whatever the final state become the normal state, initial state will become the final state. So we need to just modify this rather than making it again. We made for the DFA which accepts 000, and now we need to make an opposite, that is do not accept 00. All you need to do is here the initial state, whatever the normal states are, whether it is an initial or whatever state, it will be our final state. Okay, Q0 is normal state, here we make it a final state. Q1 state is a normal state, we will make it a double circle, that is final state. Q2 was a normal state, again we will make it a final state. Okay, Q0. Everything is same, nothing, just normal states will become final state will become normal state, Q2, and from Q2 0 was going to final state, right? QF state, but going to that will become a normal state. That is normal state means no two circles, simple one circle, and there we had a loop of one. That's it. So this is our DFA that do not include 000. So what first you make for include 0, just whatever the normal states it, make it final state, whatever the final state is, make it normal state. That's it. Rest everything will be same. If you check it, do not include means if it is see 000, is it moving to final state? No. Q0 0, Q1 state 0, it is going to Q2 state. Okay, and then Q2 state again third 0, it is moving to final state. No, we have given name QF, but there is no double circle, so it's not a final state. It's not, the machine is not hot. Hope you understood this video. Thank you everyone for watching.